but if it is me doing my Africanese, let's get to work. Let me work on all the flyers and all the stuff that I need to do for the open house. And yeah, today is Friday actually. So this is the last minute open house that I'm planning to do. Anyway, let me just take you along with me.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, this is Mahado, estate agent here in Houston, Texas. Please go ahead and just subscribe, join the family. Shutting houses, anything me, alright?
What?
If I'm going places, I'm taking you along with me.
I mean, who is not making YouTube at this time we in?
We have to all get in.
If you're not a YouTuber, if you're not making content, baby, go ahead and do it, alright? Anyway, let's put that aside. I'm back, guys. I am actually ready for my open house. Let's do this outfit check real quick. Okay, for all the running around, I will be wearing my gold regular shoes, very comfortable. But anyway, this is the outfit check. Anyway, I will be going to the open house right now. See you there. Everything is beautiful. I just love this home. This is listed for $449,900. Right here, I'm going to put more information about the house. Go ahead, check this house out. Let me know what you think about this house. I have some music going on behind. It's a 5-bedroom, but if it is me doing my Africanese, this is going to be 7-bedroom altogether. Other space in the room. If you want more room, you are a huge family. It's 7-bedroom, baby. Yes. That's how we do back home. To give you a quick glimpse of this beautiful home, just in case you are interested to buy this house, let me know for the price and what you get for the price. Actually, you don't find this kind of deals every day. Yes, I said it. The house is located in an area where it's a little bit hidden, all right? So I just hope I will have enough traffic. I did put a lot of signs outside. Right here I have my open house sign. Look at how big, gorgeous and beautiful this home is. Here's very high ceilings. All the rooms, not all the rooms, the primary is right here. But you have the rooms, the office, the cinema room. You have so many things upstairs. But before anything, this is the primary bedroom. Look at this luxury, baby. You have your 2 sinks right here for Mr. and Mrs. Right here you have your tub, you have your shower. The toilet is right here. And then here, I'm wearing socks. This is the closet. It's a huge closet for Madame, for Monsieur. So yes, it's a very pretty house. And here you have a small storage room. They are in the process, seller is in the process of moving out of the house. Here you have a half bath. Okay, I'm going to take you guys upstairs.
Wow.
You are welcomed right here with this library wall. You have an office room right here. home cinema, always show and welcome. So here you have a living space here. As I was saying, I don't want to go and show all their stuff. Here there is a bed, a restroom, a storage, and you have another bed right here. These beds are huge, actually very big. These beds are very big. So right here again you have another room that they transfer and change to an office room. You have another room right here. There is a bed. I don't want to go inside. And there is another restroom right here. This is a very big space. But everything all together, if you want to keep this house the way you want it, the way it's meant to be, of course it's 5-bedroom, an office and cinema room. But again, it's up to you if you want this house to be 7-bedroom house. Yeah, so that's that about this house. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you will buy this, if you will make this your home. So yeah, one more sign to pick up.